shut out for the eyesight I've got. Hey, I don't need this. Come on, let's go, bro. Let's go. You taught me to drive. Watch me go now. Hey. Hey, please, don't go. Oh, you're helping me. Good, keep it going. Cause it's Good Friday. And you know what? You're up getting rid of all the crappers. Let's go. Let's go. I'm enraged. I'm Jesus. I'm descendant of God. And you lock me up. Watch this. You think I'm strong? Wait until you meet my of him, because ultimately he'll give her an ultimatum: either listen to Gavin Mum, or you're gonna go to hell. He'll disown you, and so will I. But it's our grandmas, the rightful ones, how it's meant to be. Watch this. Watch me go. You. Watch this now. I'm getting stronger and stronger by the second. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Technology. No one can use it like me, because I invented